Cake Decorating Kit for Beginners by Wilton. Clearly intended for beginners, the items in this kit are quite basic and simple. The Cake Decorating Kit for Beginners by Wilton consists of a cake lifter, a dozen 16-inch disposable bags being used for decorations, icing tip 789, one 9-inch angled spatula, and an icing smoother. The cake lifter can fit up to 16 inches of cake. The decorating bags are ideal for a thick batter or when making big decorating tips. The metal tip is for a quick and efficient way of putting the icing on the cake. The spatula is made of high-quality stainless steel and has a nicely shaped handle for easy grip and control. To make the cake tops and sides perfectly smooth, one must use an icing smoother, which is made from stainless steel blade. All items are dishwasher friendly, and although you may first wash them with warm or soapy water right after use.